Samsung Z Fold 7 is a game changer since it features industry first innovations. The Z Fold 7 is one of the market's slimmest folder phones, capable of carrying ultra features. The Z Fold 7's hinge is a prominent feature, and its camera is identical to that of the S25 Ultra. The Z Fold 7 does not have a 100x zoom or a periscope lens, however. According to one report, the Z Fold 7 will have better cameras, a larger screen, a thinner design, more endurance, and a higher price. According to a reliable source, Samsung will maintain the same price in the majority of markets, however, others may see a price increase. The display size of the Z Fold 7 is 8" and 6.49", which is comparable to the Z Fold 7 Special Edition. The cover display is almost identical to the Z Fold Special Edition. In terms of thickness and internals, there isn't much of a difference between the Z Fold 7 and Z Fold Special Edition, although the display size is comparable and larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Galaxy Z Fold 7's price has been announced, and it is estimated to cost $1,899, comparable to the previous version. However, Trump has imposed additional 25% tariffs on Apple and Samsung phones produced outside the United States, which may result in price rises in certain nations. Most markets will preserve the previous generation's price of $1,899 and $1,999 for the flip phone. This is fantastic news for anyone looking to get their hands on the Z Fold 7 and perhaps help Samsung sell more. However, it is vital to remember that certain markets may witness price increases, and it is unclear which areas will. Samsung's Z Fold 7 is a key advance in the foldable phone industry, providing a small, affordable choice with an ultra-wide camera and a bigger display size than the Z Fold 6. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.